Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Today's fundamental analysis, famous private bank Kotak Mahindra Bank. Started 1985 by Uday Kotak as Kotak Mahindra Finance Corporation. It was a non-banking finance corporation. 2003, they received the banking license from Reserve Bank of India. This is the second largest private bank in India in terms of market capitalization. 1,500 branches, 2,400 ATMs in different locations, 744 total locations. Total deposits 2.62 lakh crores. Advances 2.19 lakh crores. Current account, savings account, CASA ratio, very healthy, 56% when compared to many other banks. This is very safe. Now coming to Npa percentage, that means somebody who has taken the loan, not returned. Kotak Bank has got 0.71% Npa, whereas HDFC Bank has got 0.36%. Face value rupees 5, book value rupees 282.73, industry PE, I am talking about the private banks, the industry PE 25.79, and PE ratio of Kotak Mahindra Bank is 44.4. Now the shareholding pattern, promoters 26%, foreign institutions 42%, domestic institutional investors 22.75%, and others, retail investors like me and you, 9%. Now coming to the net profit of Kotak Mahindra Bank last 5 years. 2016, 3,431 crores. 2017, 4,949 crores. 2018, 6,147 crores. And 2019, 7,119 crores. And in 2020, good profits, 8,607 crores. Market capitalization of Kotak Mahindra Bank, and when compared to rest of them. Kotak Mahindra Bank 2,58,059 crores. HDFC Bank 5,84,845 crores. ICICI Bank very closely behind, 2,52,943 crores. Suppose you had bought 100 shares of IPO. After split and bonus, here is the story. 1994, first bonus 1:1, 100 shares became 200. 2004, second bonus 1:1, 200 becomes 400 shares. 2005, 3:2 bonus, 400 shares became 1000 shares. 2010, there was a stock split, 10 rupees shares, face value became 5 rupees, and then 1000 shares became 2000 shares. 2015, another bonus, 1:1, 2000 shares became 4000 shares, and hence somebody who has purchased 100 shares of Kotak Mahindra Bank, the total number of shares he is holding today is 4000 shares. Now the question of the reward for the investors. Somebody who had invested 10,000 rupees January 3, 2000 by paying 10,000 rupees, today the cost is 11,37,751 rupees, because that time it was 11 rupees 47 paisa. Today it is 1,305 rupees. Over the last 20 years, the CAGR is very good, 25.63% every year. Last 5 years, little less, 15.32%. 52 weeks high, 1,740. 52 weeks low, 1,001 rupees. Lifetime high, 1740. Current price, 1,304. If Kotak Mahindra Bank would not have split their shares, not given bonus, the 10 rupees share today would have been as valuable as 52,000 rupees instead of 1,305. This is the list of Kotak Mahindra Bank dividends for the last 10 years. Kindly have a look. Now, my dear friends, this is the graph of Kotak Mahindra Bank for the last 20 years. How much it has gone up, how much it has come down. After seeing this fundamental analysis, my strong suggestion, please do your own verification, then only buy Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank is a very good private bank to have it in your portfolio. Friends, good that you heard the whole video. Thank you. Bye-bye.